professional Scrum Master immersive learning experience is unique because it enables that double loop learning that you get from being able to try things in your organization and then take that information, collaborate with others, like what happened during that collaboration, bring it all together with a group of people who are all trying to do the same thing, and then figure out what you can do differently, right? How do I make this thing that I was doing even just a little bit better? And I think there's two there's a really big advantage in the PSM because as a public class, because you've got a bunch of people in the class that are from other organizations. While you might come along and you might bring a friend from your organization, because that's always a good way to get help when you're back in your organization as well, right? Having somebody else who's been through the same experience. But also you get the different perspectives of the people in the room. And that is absolutely invaluable to enabling you as a Scrum Master to understand what is realistic and what isn't, right? A lot of folks come to a PSM class, especially, thinking, as we're talking about the stuff in the class, thinking that just won't work here, right? That won't work in my company. It won't work in my company because we do this other thing. Not realizing, and hopefully they do throughout the class, but not realizing that Scrum is intended to be a mirror that shows you what's wrong with your organization. Like, why can't you do that? Oh, we want to do continuous feedback loops, right? We want to, at the end of every sprint, we want to get some real users in front of the software and we want to find out what they think about it, right? We want to validate our assumptions. Well, why can't we do that? And I think the immersive learning is especially focused on that because it's over a much longer period of time. Because you have those sections of learning and then that assignment to go and try something in your organization. And those assignments are kind of crafted around those most difficult ideas, most difficult things to do in applications, in your company, most difficult, contentious, gnarly problems that Scrum Masters encounter in their organizations, so that we can collaborate and get help from each other, right? I, as the facilitator, might have seen a bunch of experiences, right, in organizations where those things have worked out perfectly, or I might have seen other ones where things you want to try just fell flat, right? There's no right answer to any of these questions. So how do we collaborate around it, and how do we maximize that collaboration? And I think the PSM immersive class maximizes the learning and collaboration that happens. If you want to have a discussion about how immersive classes can revolutionize your training experience, then please book a call on our website. Alternatively, you can find all of our public immersive classes listed there as well, and we would love to hear from you.